Test, 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 test. Testing, 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 bullet noise, testing, 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 bullet noise. We are going to be testing all the bullet noise in the world. Now we got some good weapons. Now we got a higher rate of fire than normal. Looks like we're playing really well, but I can't tell. Looks like we're going down to the next floor. Gonna pick the mutation, and it's gonna be a scary your face. It's gonna be a scary your face. Looks like we got out just fine. Gonna punch the boss in the dick. And he's down. I don't know why we're doing so well, but I gotta assume it has something to do with all them dodges and them dodges and them dodges and dodges. Double machine gun? I'm down. Man, it seems just ridiculous enough to work. Alright, let's see if... Hold on, let's spam our ass off here. This is pretty fucking cool. Don't want that poison gas, it's like poison ass. Bring on a nay. Oh, that was scary. More ammo. Mr. Alligator Man, you seem a little lost. And I love this music. It's so epic. Where all the HP at dough? Double machine gun? We got like half a minigun here. Where are the payouts out? Don't hold out on me. This is going pretty damn well. Ooh. If that's a secret pistol, I'd take it. Or if that's a secret shotgun, I'd take it. But I ain't no settling for no secret pistol. You gotta go big or you gotta go home, boy. Double flame shotgun is so good. I mean, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Is that the terminology we're going with? I'm not gonna lie, your damage is pretty bad. Actually, damage isn't bad. I don't know. Something isn't working for me here. I mean, it's working, yeah. But it's not working how I want it to be working. Actually, we're almost back up to full HP, so, or full ammo. So I guess I can't complain too much. Well, I can complain, but it's like a frickin' millionaire complaining about having too much money. Like, damn it. The stocks are doing well again. Normally, I would be all about... Really? I'd be all about that, Are we really on Little Hunter with this stupid setup? I'd be all about that, assault rifle life, but... Nah. Would you not spawn beside me? This is scary. You like spawned right beside me. Oh. Sadly, we don't have very much damage. But we got HP back, so that's working out for me. I think I'm gonna upload this under something like non-commentary ridiculousness. Because this is pretty cool. Energy sword? Man, if I had double energy weapons, I would be all about that life. Open mind will help our ammo situation, but second stomach is going to be better, I think. Fire at things until they die. I mean, you pretty much got my strategy figured out, it seems. I'm kind of shooting off in the distance to see what I can... Because the bullets give you light. That was awkward. That was scary. Just burst through the wall. I'm pretty much holding left click when I shoot, and then I just like tap fire right click. It seems to be working out pretty well. It's a lot of DPS actually. If this was double machine gun or double minigun, I'd be so down. So this is the scary part, honestly. Oh, I almost got hung up on the wall and died. That would have been so sad. I'm gonna see if anybody else wants to spawn in here with us. This guy did. That was his first mistake. Ah, that guy spawned inside of us. That kind of sucked. Okay, screw this guy. That's a lot of ammo. That we're not... Oh, I'm so happy we accidentally killed that. We needed second stomach payouts now. And we need a minigun. Give me minigun, please. Like 3 of them. Give me a triple minigun. Why? Because sometimes 2 is just not enough. And I couldn't agree more. That time is now. Now, as long as we're hitting, we're generating lots of ammo. But the second we start missing is when problems arise. That's nice. Oh, I want those rads. It's fine. I gotta say, screw it. Wait, we can hold down left click with this too, right? Oh, that might be even better. We could have gone double assault rifle. No, give me that, give me that. Ah, you didn't give it to me. Okay, we'll take Bloodlust. Okay. Nope. Whatever. Let's go. We are just gonna run backwards, holding both of our buttons down. I love video games. Alright, let's go. You can start doing all your throwny stuff as much as you want, but it's not gonna stop me from murdering you. Alright, here we go. Both buttons. Give them both barrels! And focus on dodging. If we just hold down this direction, we should be fine. Okay. It's happening. Nobody said it was fast. And he's dead. Oh! Give me this. Give me that. Some of this, some of that. Alright. That's more damage than I wanted to take, but we're back to full HP. We're back to full ammo! Oh, that was so gay. I should have went to the right. I don't know if I'm even gonna upload that. I might. That was interesting.